guys, it's William Stevens here, gonna do a quick little unboxing video of the Curiosity Box by Vsauce. Great guys, you should check this out at curiositybox.com. But yeah, let's just unbox this. Boom. Beautiful. Alright. Now, we're going to open this up. This comes with, remember, different things. This is really cool. It's a postcard. That's really cool. It's the Vsauce Artist Spotlight. That's really cool. Okay, what's this? Inks, Hue Sticks. The physics toy. We're going to unbox all this stuff, then we're going to take a look at it. This is the Curiosity Box. This is the 3 Curiosity dudes. We have Michael in the green, Kevin in the blue, and then the other one, I forget. Double triangular thingamajig. This looks cool. Cardinals, world's smartest. Wear it infinity times. We're gonna take a look at that. This little physics toy looks like. And it comes with this book here. How to Speak Science, Gravity, Relativity, and Other Ideas That Were Crazy Until Proven Brilliant. No way! It comes with this stuff. Dude, have you guys seen this orb and stuff? It's crazy. And then it came with this, a game thing, $15 value. It's a prime movie. So, now we know what that is. Now let's unbox this thing first. I'm just gonna This is really hard because I want to come out. There we go. Alright, so we have the stuff here. Okay, so let's get this out of here. So it looks like right in here we have this weird liquid, right? Just in this thing. Pretty cool. And then we have, sorry for the bad camera angle, then we got some magnets. Oh wow, these are strong. Here, I'm gonna try and, here, hold on. All right, gotta switch the camera angle. Yeah, here's what that looks like. Looks pretty cool. These magnets, really strong. Oh, so it comes with like 2 of those magnets. 2 of those, and then 2 really strong magnets that I'm just going to set far apart from each other. Oh my god, these magnets are so strong. So, let's take this, and then I'm going to try one of these now. What? Guys. That's crazy. Let's try one of these now. Bro, it actually sticks there. Like, watch this, guys. So you ready? See this? And then it just goes. And then you guys, you can see that right over there. And it just goes back down. Now I want to try both of these, the strong ones. But this thing's strong. It's like, look guys, see it's on the bottom, right? It's so strong. That's really cool. You can I can definitely see myself having a lot of fun with these. I'm gonna put them back for now. This one. Well, you don't need to take all use these to hold up my camera. There we go. I think this is better actually. And then let's check out the shirt. By the way, this is not a sponsor or Vsauce. There's no notes. It's pretty cool. Alpha. No, that's really cool, dude. And then, if you look right here, it's their mascot, little ink. Right there on the shirt. That's cool, dude. Let's unbox this physics toy that it says it is. It's really light too. Ooh, okay. Nothing else in here, it's just these. This is gonna be cool. I have no idea what this could be, but it looks like a propeller there. I don't know what just happened. Scared. Okay, so it says I don't know what this is supposed to do. I might make a follow-up video just telling you guys that I figured it out. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I read about it, but couldn't really find anything on how it works or what I'm supposed to do. But yeah, there's that. The next thing is if we remove this right here. Ooh, there we go. So we're about to unboxing packages. Alright, a little bit of instruction there. Ooh, no. Assistant. Oh, so I guess you're trying to figure out different ways to like put this together and stuff. That's pretty cool. What? No way. Okay, so that's cool, Ruth. Alright, so right here, so here, can you hold this for me? Right there. Okay, your fingers right on the camera. There. So, looks like you have to take this stuff and like figure out a way to set it up so that it can go back in there, which is, I feel like that's really cool. It's a really cool idea. That's enough of that. And there's only one more thing left to do, guys, and then we're gonna wrap it up. Yeah, I can't do this. I'm really terrible with these puzzles. I'll do that. Will you get me a plastic bag? While she's doing that, I'm gonna clear my workspace here. Unbox the final toy here. I can't even read this because, you know, I'm blind. Okay, yeah, okay. We put all this stuff in. Okay. Alright, so this looks pretty cool. Oh, no way. This is just like something that you keep on your desk or something. That's really cool. Just a cool little toy there. And all this stuff. If you guys want to get this, go to thecuriositybox.com. Great stuff there, different memberships and all of that. But this is where I'm going to wrap up this video. Do hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and turn on that little notification bell to be notified every time I upload or live stream. But anyway, guys, peace out.